One of the things I've been enjoying most about Android 12 is the adaptive colours, which is why I thought I would share with you a widget which can't be found in the widget drawer until you unlock the Easter egg. So to do this, go to Settings and scroll to the bottom, and then you want to click on About Phone. From here, you want to scroll down to Android version and click on that. And then what you have to do is repeatedly click on Android version 12 and you will get this clock pop up. From here, set the time to 12 and you'll have this cool bubble pop up appear. And then from here, just simply pop over onto your home screen, go back into the widget drawer and tap on Android S Easter egg. And then drag the widget onto your home screen. Also, if you tap on the widget, it allows you to copy the color information, which is a cool little bonus. I hope this was able to help you and you have fun customizing your phone.